Today I'm going to do a comparison between two sound recorders. In the large one here I have here, which I'm recording at the moment, is a Tascam 05X, and this is a Sony 470. As you can see, there's a big difference in the size. If you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell. The Tascam is a very meaty and heavy and well, fairly heavy and strong thing. Tascam is made by TEAC in Japan. The Sony is also a Japanese brand as well. This one, difference in price, this one is probably twice the price of this one, something like that. I think twice the price. This one is used for professionals, but for doing videos I find this one, I don't go into it very much. I don't use it as a dictaphone, so not much difference between the Sony and the Tascam for me. I will give you a comparison in the sound from the Tascam to the Sony, and you can see what you like. I will bring them both in different locations. I'll do them all with a lavalier for this purpose, because I'm doing the video. I'm doing this video for people that are using it for videos, for making videos where you will want to have a fairly good sound. So the difference in features. What I do like about this Sony is that you don't need to be plugging in cables. You just press the back of the back button, and then the USB pops out to plug into your computer. It uses less batteries, but the Tascam can be plugged into a USB, so you can use your phone charger and it will run off electricity, will bypass the batteries. That doesn't happen with the Sony. When I start recording with the Sony, it doesn't. You can't adjust. You can't adjust the input there and then. You have to go into the settings to do it. Other than that, they're mostly the same. They probably, without the lavalier, the Tascam will perform better. The Tascam has you can put it on a tripod. You have 1/4 inch threaded screw to put up onto a tripod for a meeting when you wouldn't be using lavalier. So you could have one person talking in here and one there. You can't do that with the Sony. The Sony is nice and compact, though. It's nicer, easier in your pocket and all. They both have hold features on them. Yeah, they both have hold features. Home, hold. The power button is on the front on this. The power button, you hold it down on the side on this. It's spring loaded. There's a volume. The volume doesn't check out the level, which I thought it would. The Sony has got built-in memory. I can't remember how many hours, but it's substantial, and I wouldn't even bother putting a card into this one. I'm going to compare the Tascam to the Sony. So here I am with the big noisy trucks and everything going by here on the main highway, and you can hear whatever sound you can hear in the background. I am using a lavalier, which I always do because of a noisy workshop. And now I will do a sound check on the Sony. So, I'm out here and you can hear motorbikes going by. I still think you can hear my voice over this. I'm only 6 meters from the road, and these motorbikes and motorbikes going down are a lot noisier than you may get in the West. And there's people across the road talking. You can probably hear them. So now I'm going to compare the Tascam with the Sony here on the beach. At the moment I'm running on the Tascam 05X and the DR-05X, and it's reasonably quiet here. There's a breeze coming in here. Maybe if you had a normal camera at the moment you would get wind noise, but it's not much of a breeze. There's someone out fishing there. So this is the Tascam on a low voice. I'm speaking on a low voice on the beach outdoors, and there's people over there on the right hand side talking. I don't know if you can hear them, and there's a cock crowing over on the background. Now I'm down on the ocean here. It's fairly calm down here, so there's a wind coming from this side here, nice cool breeze. I don't think you'll pick it up on this mic. So there's our sound check on both the Sony and the Tascam. The Tascam is heavier. In comparison, as I said earlier, there's a big difference in price, and well, there's double the price. But for toughness and reliability, this is definitely seems to me, but neither of them have broken on me. I have one on standby in case I need it. So I use one video with this and one video with this, and there's nearly no difference at all. This one, the main advantage of the Sony is lightness, size nice and small, and the UBS. The main advantage of the Tascam is toughness. The button on the front for changing the input levels on the fly, and just general strong plastic compared to the Sony. So it's up to yourself if you are making videos for YouTube or for Amazon or something like that. Either one of these would use as your recording devices. If you're using multiple cameras, you will put this file in along with the multiple cameras, like I am doing here. So thank you very much for watching this video on the comparison, which I don't normally do, and I'll see you soon.